Professional tools shouldn't have to be complex to be powerful. Easy to use is the new measure of power. The best interface in the future will fade away, fade to the background, and not be in the foreground. It's the intuitive nature of touch technology that makes it real to the users, takes it to that next level of emotional expression and creativity. The result will be a perfectly natural way to work and a great way to share your ideas.
Die größte Herausforderung war folgende, dass man
As an architect, the greatest challenge is retaining the basic vision which one had when developing the project during the implementation phase.
Dann in der Umsetzung nie aus den Augen verliert.
The hall functions in a similar way to a village square. The basis equates to a small village with different functions.
Die Allplan
software assists and accompanies us through all the performance phases and creative stages required in an architectural business. This begins with the initial concept and goes right through to the execution approval planning.
Dann weiter natürlich in die Genehmigungsplanung.
Wir nutzen Allplan in unserem Büro für jedes Projekt. So, das sind Häuser.
We use Allplan for every project in our office, such as for houses, high-rises, office buildings and hospitals. All the projects we plan are now planned with Allplan in 3D. When we were awarded the project, we could see at once that it involved complex geometry, and we were aware that we couldn't use traditional planning methods in this case, as too many errors would have crept in. So I said, okay, we'll do it in 3D. I think it was a huge success that all 220 or 230 prefabricated components went into the construction without a single mistake. And there was a really good atmosphere on site too, as there weren't any assembly errors encountered.
I still use Allplan Campus now and then, and I'm still a registered user. I've often made use of the forum to download articles. If I've ever had any questions in the night or whenever, I went online and took a look. I completed my diploma in the spring of 2009, and I had the good fortune to immediately get a job in which I could use Allplan. We are a young and expanding business based in Düsseldorf.
Das heißt, die Anforderungen an den Alltag in der Architektur wachsen ständig. Es werden unterschiedliche Materialien entwickelt etc.
And if the software also continues to develop in this sector, this will be of great use for us and would be very welcome. That's what I wish personally for the future. So please, let me work. I know what I'm doing.
Also lasst mich bitte arbeiten. Ich weiß, was ich tue.
Ich bin mir davon überzeugt, dass
I am convinced that in 3 years at the most, work will be carried out exclusively in 3D in all disciplines. I hope too that in 2 or 3 years there will be many more Allplan users.
Geben wird in 2 oder 3 Jahren.